Alright, so this is gonna be scheduling a meeting using AI helper. So what you'll see here is I'm gonna set up a meeting with my teammates. So I have a few people on my to list. I type my message and then I just include Cortana in the message and tell her what time I'm looking for the meeting, and I can tell her to book a room. I can tell her to put an online meeting Zoom request in there, and that's pretty much it. You just have to include her in your email. You don't have to do anything additional. And once you send your email, Cortana will start working on that request. What you can do is you can also go to Calendar.Help. This is the online site where it's linked to your Outlook account, and that's where everything is happening. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes for your request to show up in there, but it'll list all your previous requests and your current requests and whether they are in pending status, what emails Cortana is sending on your behalf to schedule stuff. All that will be included on Calendar.Help. So here the request is in a pending state right now, and Cortana is telling me that hey, I'm working on this thing. The next step, what it will do is if there are conflicts, it is going to send out recommended times to all the participants and let them reply back with which times work for them. So as you can see here, Cortana has sent out an email to all the participants listing some of the potential times. As you can see, Harish, Savi, Rizwan, everybody got an email, and again the whole email trail is in Calendar.Help. So again, you are out of this email loop so that your inbox does not get crowded, and all the participants respond to these requests. What you see is Rizwan has said 1 p.m. Savi has also said 1 p.m. Harish, however, want to play tough, and he has responded with 2:30 p.m. So now what we'll see is that Cortana would successfully set up a meeting, and it'll also negotiate the meeting time with Harish in the background. And what you see is the meeting has been scheduled and it has booked a room, Las Vegas 459. Which is in the same location as I am, and it does stuff in the back end to figure out your location. That is what it seems like. So it didn't book a room in Atlantic City for me, and it knew somehow that I was at OHC and booked a room in OHC. And also what you see is that it missed the conference call, so there is no Zoom number in there, but we can send an update request to Cortana in a minute and ask her to add the conference line in there. But now if you go to Calendar.Help, you'll be able to see all the back-end negotiation that it did. So what you'll see is it'll send an email to Harish, and right here you can see again the whole communication trail in there. And right here you'll see that Cortana sent an updated email to Harish saying, hey, everybody else is available at 1 p.m. Can you make that work? Harish replied yes, and that is when it scheduled the meeting. Alright, so now since Cortana missed the online Zoom number earlier, what we'll do is we'll request Cortana to add the Zoom in there. So here it is. Okay, and now that we have sent an update to Cortana, she doesn't have to negotiate anything for this one because the time stays the same. She just sends an updating meeting invite with the correct Zoom number. And of course the whole history is available at Calendar.Help. And you can go back and see what exactly Cortana did in the backend, and that's it.